Buying your first home is exciting, but let's be honest, it can feel a little overwhelming too. Everyone talks about interest rates and deposits, but no one really tells you what happens behind the scenes. I'm Mira from Lifte Loans, and today I want to walk you through what the first home loan journey actually feels like. Not the glossy version, but the real one. Most people start this journey feeling excited and full of hope. You've been saving for months, maybe years. You're scrolling property listings at night. You can already picture the couch, the kitchen, the first barbecue. Then, reality hits. Suddenly, you're reading about pre-approvals, LVRs, comparison rates, and offset accounts. And it all sounds a bit foreign. The truth is, it's completely normal to feel out of your depth. No one teaches you this stuff at school. Most people learn it the hard way, step by step. The key is, you don't need to know everything. You just need to know the next step and understand what matters most right now. Here's something most first home buyers never see. When you apply for a home loan, there's a whole world working quietly in the background. Lenders check dozens of things: your income, spending patterns, savings behavior, credit history, and even the way your accounts are structured. There are people, algorithms, and policies all assessing your application. And while that's happening, you're waiting. You've done everything right, but you still feel a bit stuck. That waiting, it can be tough. We've seen many buyers feel stressed during this stage, not because of rejection, but because of uncertainty. So here's a little secret. The process always feels calmer when you understand what's coming next. Ask questions. Learn what happens at each stage: assessment, valuation, conditional approval, and final sign-off. The more you know, the less stressful it feels. A big one: pre-approval doesn't mean full approval. Pre-approval is more like a "you're looking good so far" check. It's based on what you've provided, but it's not final. If anything changes, like income, spending, or a new credit card, it can affect the result. So, treat pre-approval as guidance, not a green light. Another common misunderstanding: thinking the lowest rate means the best loan. I know it sounds logical, but it's not always true. A loan with fewer features or strict terms can end up costing more over time. Things like an offset account, redraw facility, or repayment flexibility can save you thousands if they suit how you manage money. So when comparing loans, look at the whole picture, not just the number. Let's talk about what you can actually do to make the process easier. Tip 1. Get your budget sorted before house hunting. It's not about what the bank says you can borrow. It's about what you're comfortable repaying. Tip 2. Keep your finances steady. Try not to make big changes. Don't switch jobs, take on new debt, or make large purchases while applying. Lenders like stability. Tip 3. Check your credit file early. You can do it free once a year. Fixing small errors now can save a lot of hassle later. And finally, give yourself time. It's not a quick process, but it's worth doing properly. If you know the stages and stay organized, it'll all flow more smoothly. You don't have to use a broker, but it helps to know what they actually do. A broker compares multiple lenders and sees patterns you can't always spot on your own. They know which banks are flexible, which move faster, and which understand unique situations, like self-employed buyers or low-deposit borrowers. It's not about pushing products. It's about matching your goals to the right fit. But whether you use a broker or not, just remember, you don't have to do it alone. There's real value in having someone explain things in plain English. Before you start, here's a simple exercise. Write down 3 stages on a sheet of paper. 1. Preparation. That's your savings, your documents, and understanding your budget. 2. Application. That's choosing your lender, sending your details, and waiting for the process to unfold. 3. Settlement. That's approval, signing, and picking up the keys. Seeing it broken down makes the process feel achievable. And if you want help mapping it out, we've made something that can guide you. It's called the 3-Step Loan Success Plan, a free resource on our website, lifte.com.au. It's not a sales pitch, just a simple, factual guide that walks you through each step clearly and calmly. Buying your first home isn't just about money. It's about confidence. It's about understanding enough to make choices you feel good about. There will be moments of doubt, and that's okay. You don't have to know it all. You just need the right information at the right time. Take your time, ask questions, and remember, clarity is your best tool. I'm Mira from Lifte Loans, and I hope this helped you see the home loan journey with a little more calm and confidence. If you'd like that free 3-step loan success plan, you'll find it on our website, lift.com.au. Thanks for watching.